What's up, everyone? So we all know personalization is the key when doing cold outreach, but most of us just don't have the time to do it properly or at the level that we need to. Today, I'm going to share an AI system that does this for you on autopilot. Last month, one of our agents in the community, Nick, landed 5 meetings with clients in the Australian market in a single day using AI personalized cold emails. And here's the crazy part. Just days before, his emails were getting completely ignored. The only thing that changed was a 20-minute adjustment to his approach that I'm about to show you. And Nick isn't alone. Take Karina. She spent 6 months following YouTube gurus, trying to reach social media managers in the e-commerce space. Hundreds and hundreds of emails sent and 0 meetings booked. Then in her first month using our blueprint and AI framework, she landed her first client at £1,250 monthly recurring revenue. That's monthly revenue, not a one-time payment. Think about what that means for Karina and her business. 6 months of hustle with 0 results, then complete transformation in less than 30 days. Now, here's what's really interesting. If you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you've got here because of the same system. That email you thought was personally written for you, AI helped craft that. Now, let me tell you why most AI cold emails fail. Firstly, they sound robotic. You know the ones. Dear first name, I noticed your company or company name is in industry space, delete. Second, they tend to focus on volume over quality. People blast thousands of emails hoping for that one response. But here's what they're missing. Each bad email isn't just a missed opportunity, it's actively damaging your brand. Thirdly, they completely miss the psychology of what makes someone respond. You see, getting a response isn't about the email itself. It's about the thought process of the person reading the email. Who are you? Why should I, as the client, care about what you're talking about? What's in it for me? How is this risky to me, my business? Am I wasting money? Is this going to cost me? What are the next steps? Are they clear? Are they defined? Are they easy? Is this person asking me for time? Do you notice how there's not one part of that thought process that is about you? Getting any single part of this wrong could very easily end up with your email getting deleted, and then bye-bye goes your opportunity to speak to that potential client. Our frameworks break this down into 3 key steps. Now, it's smart data collection. Most people just grab name and the company. Now, we go a lot deeper than this. We're looking for recent company changes, growth signals, pain points, triggers or events, recent news or acquisitions. And then we utilize AI and a combination of our knowledge of your business industry and your infrastructure to understand where we take that data and turn it into insight. Most people use AI wrong here. They try to use it to write their entire email like it's going to turn into some magic bullet. No, instead, we use it to craft a highly tailored icebreaker to the person that is going to increase the chances that they will open and engage with that email. We also analyze patterns to create personalized hooks, generate relevant talking points that the person's going to interact with. And here's the last really key part is we use human sounding language. And this is a secret sauce. So we use specific triggers to make your email impossible to ignore. And then we open with something incredibly human sounding. This is how Nick got 5 meetings in a single day. This landed Karina her first client. And it also probably potentially brought you to this video. If you can implement an automation to that level where all it's doing is all your research, personalizing your outreach on autopilot, and it still sounds human, that's the secret sauce right there. Crafting a tailored offer and crafting something that's going to be responded to after that, that's where it takes a bit of sales skill. But let me show you how this works in real time. I'm going to share my screen and walk you through the blueprint that connects with ChatGPT and Instantly AI to give you an idea of why this is so effective. Right, so let's walk through this make.com blueprint. So as you can see here, we are starting from a Google Sheets. Now, typically most of the people I'm working with are getting their data from something like ListKit, Leads Rapidly, something like that. So you're able to get really high quality and verified data and put it into a Google Sheet and then effectively work straight from there. So you can see straight away we're then utilizing ChatGPT to strip key information from there. And that could be from news, that could be from recent articles, or just key information on their industry. It doesn't really matter. All we're doing is stripping that information and then giving an outline of information to modules further down the chain. We're then utilizing Perplexity to do even more research and get citations about the business. we're scraping the website in two different forms. And this is if we have a website, we are utilizing the website URL. If we don't, we are then stripping the URL out of their email in order to still be able to scrape their website. And then you can see here, we've got three different routes we can follow where we are parsing the text from the relevant scrape. And this depends on whether or not we are able to scrape, whether or not the website rejects our scrape. We get the website information, or the website information doesn't exist, so we get it from the email. It then pushes it through the correct channel. We then utilize the information that we've got from their website to secure a recent piece of event information or multiple pieces of event information, and get information about the business, how it makes money, and how they generate profit. We then reformat their name, and this will be, if you're looking at our company, which is Elevate AI LLC, this will then reformat that to Elevate AI for us. We are then personalizing to a ridiculous level the output and then pushing that into instantly. Now, our success rate on this route is over 99%. We have a less than 1% failure rate, much, much less. We are getting personalization at this level. So I'm not showing you any GDPR data. I'm not showing you inside instantly. However, these are three examples, recent examples I pulled out of our campaign that's going live on Monday. Hey, Mark, in a crowded real estate market like Burleson, attracting and retaining clients can be tough. Are you exploring strategies to boost the quality and quantity of your leads to stay ahead of larger competitors? Hey, Karen, given Hutton's knack for transforming complex projects into successful developments, are you exploring new strategies to boost the quality and volume of your leads for upcoming commercial ventures? Hey, Frank, refine real estate's focus on transforming undervalued properties in Chicago for exceptional investor returns is impressive. Are you currently exploring strategies to boost your pipeline of high-quality investment opportunities? These openers could not possibly be written for anybody else. And this question at the end here is specifically tailored to ensure that we are leading into our lead generation offer. Now, this is obviously one of only several offers in several industries that we're working with, but this is one of our highest and most successful offers. In 4 days, we've been able to run personalization at this level for around 15 to 16,000 leads in 4 days, which is pretty effective to say the least, and all while I was doing other things. So this has built our entire real estate, our entire staffing and recruiting campaigns for the next month in 4 days. I wouldn't have been able to hire a team or an external expert to do this for me in that time frame, let alone to do it at the cost-effective level that I've done it utilizing this process, utilizing this workflow here inside Make. So that's looking at the real personalization results through this process. This is the same process that Nick's used to transform from 0 to 5 meetings in a day. The same process Karina has used to go from 6 months of nothing to £1,250 in monthly recurring revenue in her first month of targeting e-commerce managers with this process. Multiple community members are seeing their cold outreach transform using these changes. Now, I know what you're thinking, but people can spot these AI emails a mile away. That's what most of my clients thought too, until they realized the email that got them to book a call with me was written using this exact same system. The key isn't hiding the AI, it's using it correctly. When done right, it actually creates more authentic, more personal connections than manual outreach ever could. If you want help implementing systems like this into your business, click on the link below for a free AI strategy meeting. We'll take the time to review your current outreach process and build a custom AI implementation plan specifically for your industry. And yes, if you're in our ICP, you'll probably experience this system firsthand in our outreach. See if you can spot it and come back to me. Drop a comment below with your biggest cold email challenges, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI strategies that actually work. And if you're totally new to AI and agents in this space, and you're really just looking to level up your ChatGPT game, take a look at this video in the top corner going over 27 awesome things you can do with ChatGPT. Now, I look forward to speaking with you again soon, and I'll see you in the next video.
Digital dreams rise up high, pixelated futures touch the sky.